Is it over? Exactly. You can get right on it too.
Yeah, I'm going to whatever. All right, so let me clarify something because some of the students asking me what is AOA, what is AON, and she or her may miss the class we did in our lecture notes one, right? So as we introduce the planning and scheduling, and we see the first is the budget, and then next we see the networkers, because the budget is not good enough. Where you have some changes, modifications, you cannot update it. Then we have this one, we using a box, or we call it a node, to connect them with a straight line or the arrows. We call this one is network model. So the network model has two kind of types. So the first type is called actives on arrow. So like this one, you see this is a 5 is a node and a point to a node 10. And this 5 to 10 is activity called 7 and the layout. So this is AOA. We will learn AOA later after we finish with AON. Okay. So and this one is, so this is AOA. You don't need to know AOA right now. You need to understand what is AON. So AON, or we call presenting diagram. So if you look in the lecture notes, you will see the chapter 3 or lecture notes 3 is called presenting diagram. Or in another means is AON, actives on node. So each of the activity is represented as a box, and this box is a node. And if you want to have them have a connection between A and B, you draw a straight line from this right side point out to this left side, right? Using the arrow. So I do request you guys using the arrow. I do request you guys to avoid the crossing those lines. So that is called activities on node. So the quiz you're going to do today is activity on node. So